Hello. Now I will discuss the difference between STLC and SDLC. Already I say what is the STLC and what is the SDLC. STLC is the software testing life cycle and SDLC is the software development life cycle. What is the purpose? STLC purpose is the testing software testing when we will start the testing of any software, and SDLC purpose when we are develop any software, that time we follow the SDLC. Okay, what is the objective? Already I said. What is the scope? Already I said. What is the resource? Already I said. Now we will know the briefly introduction difference between STLC and SDLC. So the software development life cycle and the software testing life cycle are both crucial process in the software development and quality assurance domain. Already I said software development for SDLC, quality assurance for STLC. Here is comparison of their key aspect. So SDLC, software development life cycle. What is the purpose of software development life cycle? Focuses on the overall process of developing software from initial concept to deployment and maintenance. So focuses on the overall process of developing software. So when we develop the software, all process we will focus for software development life cycle from initial concept to deployment, from fast to deployment and maintenance. Phases: requirement analysis, understanding what the user needs from the system, means gather the requirement from stakeholder. Next, planning, defining the scope, resource and timeline for the project. Already I say what is the scope, what is the resource and what is the timeline of the project. If you not know, you can see of my before session of SDLC. Then system design, creating architectural design and details specifications. Then what is the design actually divided to part: HLD and LLD, high level design and low level design. And next, implementation or coding is the phase of development, writing the actual code based on the design. Then testing phase, this is the verifying the software works as intended and is bug free. It's the quality assurance part. Then the deployment is the release the software to user, testing server to live server for SEO, for marketing. Then maintenance, providing ongoing support and updates. If any updates or uh, feature new feature add or any bug raise after going to the live server, it is the maintenance. Next, STLC. STLC is the software testing lifecycle. Purpose: focuses specifically on the testing aspect of software development to ensure quality and functionality. So, when we develop the software, then ensure the software is quality and proper functionality. Next, phases of STLC: requirement analysis, analyzing the requirement. After gather requirement from stakeholder, then we will analyze all requirement is valid or not, and all requirement is mapping of test cases or not. So analyzing the requirements to determine testable aspects. Then test planning the testing strategy, including resource and timelines. Already I say what is the planning. Planning is the scope, objective, timeline, resource. Next, test case development. Test case development, already I said, creating test case and preparing the test data. Okay. Then test environment setup, setting up necessary environment for testing. When we set up the environment like ubuntu, mac os, windows, is the test environment setup. Then test execution, when we execute the test cases, is the process of test execution, running the test cases and recording results, is the definition. Then test cycle closure, after will be the test cycle closed, and then we provide the document test plan. If needed customer bug report, so we provided also bug report, etc. Then key difference scope, already I say what is the scope of STLC. Covers the entire software development process from conception to deployment and beyond. STLC focuses solely on the testing phase within SDLC. So when we develop the software, we follow the SDLC from conception to deployment and beyond. And STLC, when we start the testing phase, focuses only the SDLC process is beyond or not. Okay. Then phases. SDLC includes phases like designing, coding, and maintenance that are outside the scope of testing, and STLC includes phases specifically related to planning, designing, and executing the test. So STLC for executing the test of planning, designing, and SDLC is the phases of designing, coding, and maintenance that are outside the scope of testing. Then outcome, SDLC aims to deliver a functional software product. SDLC aims to ensure the software product meets quality standard and free of defects. So SDLC aims to deliver a functional software product, but SDLC it's meet the quality standard, high quality, high reliability, and bug free. Okay. Participants, SDLC involves a broader team including developer, project manager, and stakeholder. But SDLC primarily tester, QA engineer, sometimes developer for fixing bug. When there is the bug, then fixing the bugs. Developer is the STLC, and SDLC is fully developer project managers and stakeholders. Then integration, SDLC and STLC are interdependent. Testing STLC is a crucial part of the development cycle, ensuring that each phase of the development is validated and verified before moving to the next phase. Okay, so thank you. We are finished all SDLC and STLC, and next we will discuss the bug life cycle or defect life cycle. Okay, thank you.